Hello, it's the morning of Tuesday the 9th of February and it's about time that I made the draw for this thing here. Now, for those of you that didn't spot it, in my review of the T-Lite, if you stayed right to the very end, there was actually a draw. So congratulations to all of you who spotted that. I do like to do it that way now and again because it means that the people who watch all the videos actually get a chance to enter the draws. It's amazing how many people that I never see commenting or interacting with any of my other content will comment on a draw video that's very explicit and easy to see. But this is quite a cute way to do it because it means that only the people who watch my stuff regularly and don't just come along for the draws and giveaways actually get a chance to have a go. So the number of people commenting on the video has finally calmed down. Now these are quite tricky to get hold of at the moment, but as I have two, this very one in my paw needs to find a new home. So let's jump onto the computer and find out who is going to be the lucky winner. So this is the video. T-Lite first look and impressions. Again, thank you to everybody that got involved with this and gave it the thumbs up. Thank you to all the people who gave it the thumbs down. It's always nice to get that ad revenue as well. Small but controls all needed to be part of the text at the bottom. So you needed to comment, like, subscribe, and also put that in as well. And the vast majority of people who were commenting absolutely spotted that that needed to happen. So let's put the details into the random comment picker. Let's small but controls all. Use a specific lot of text, and the number of commenters it's going to be picked from is only 370. Fantastic! So you got a good chance of winning. The winner of the T-Lite is Stephen Jones. Stephen, congratulations! Let's have a look. Let's see if you've got any content. It's always fun to see. Oh, yes. Yeah, absolutely. Looks like you are somebody that likes messing around with foam and servos. So hopefully this will be very useful for you, Stephen. So Stephen, again, congratulations. Send me an email to lee@painless360.com and we'll get this out to you. Commiserations to other people who didn't win. Do stay tuned. There will be other giveaways throughout the February and March timescale. Thank you for spending your time today watching that video. You can find me in all the usual places on social media, and if you're trying to learn about a subject, then check out the playlist. All of my videos are organized into easy to follow playlists that if you're trying to learn a topic will take you from the basics right the way through to some pretty advanced stuff.